Welcome to Bio versus Interesting Facts. Cracking your knuckles cause arthritis. But is that truth?
Truth or myth? Let's dive in!
Does cracking your knuckles really cause arthritis? You've probably believed this your whole life. Hand on the left side of your screen cracked knuckles for 60 years, whereas hand on the right side of your screen never cracked them at all. You would expect a major damage, right? But studies found both hands looked almost identical. That cracking sound? It's usually just gas bubbles popping inside your joint fluid, not bones grinding together. So, it's a myth. Cracking your knuckles does not cause arthritis, but if it causes pain or swelling, that's something you should actually pay attention to. What myth should we fact check next? Follow me for more truth or myth.